What's up guys, and welcome to Grom Garage version 3. So to catch you guys up that don't know, we're at my new house in my new garage with my new setup here. I've been working on it a bunch and trying to get it just right, or at least the best I can. And I've been posting behind the scenes stuff on my Instagram story and my Instagram feed. So if you guys are interested, definitely make sure to follow me on there and you'll get behind the scenes looks before it ever comes out on YouTube. So the first thing I did was the floors. It's an epoxy coating from Rust-Oleum with little sprinkles in it. I think it turned out really good. It was a lot of prep work to get rid of all the cracks and divots and clean it all. It took forever. And in the end, it turned out really good and it ties the whole garage together. But also in the end, I hope I never do an epoxy floor like this again. So one thing that might look familiar is the cabinets, and that's because it's the same cabinets out of my old shop. I basically just took them, repurposed them, and then painted them black. I think it looks really good. It adds a little bit of contrast and it ties all the cabinets together. The only thing I want to do is build some doors to cover up the junk that's inside of here. But with plywood being over $60 a sheet right now, you're just going to have to see what's inside of it right now, but I'll fix it eventually. Now there are some new additions to the shop, including this clock I made. I thought it turned out really good. It's out of old sprockets and it's completely custom and something unique to add to the shop. Now one of the more obvious things I did add was the blue Fastenal box. It turns out really good in this nice setup. It's got a lot of contrast and it holds all my oils and my chain wax and everything, tucks it away really nicely, so it just cleans up the space. So now, like I said before, I just gotta get rid of this. So see, it'll look good when it's done. Now another thing I added was this Cobalt air compressor. It's super quiet and super useful whenever I'm filling up the V3.0 or the Grom, especially for doing wheelies and stuff. I wanna make sure I got the right PSI in my tires so I'm able to do wheelies more comfortably, and this thing is super useful. And like I said, it is super quiet. I love this thing and have used it so many times already. It's great. I also added a mini fridge to the collection. I basically got it for free because it was broken. I fixed it and it works great. It just doesn't fill itself. So I gotta go buy drinks and put it in it. But it looks good whenever it's shut. Now one thing to mention is this is not the shop that I'm used to. This is a 2-car garage. It gives me a lot more space, more room.
Look at all this floor space. So many aerobics in here. So many activities.
But of course, everything's still here, from all the tools to all the bikes, and of course, all the memories, from the Lego Stig to the JD Power Award I received, the banners that I have up, and of course, that blade that is in that white erase board behind me that Justin almost beheaded me with a couple years ago. I will never take that thing out. It is a constant reminder to never trust Justin while he's operating a power tool. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you guys very soon with hopefully a new shop video. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys.